Right. Here we go. Got he looks like a fucking squirrel.
Right, here we are. Ye Olde Knob Fiddler. First night time meet. Nice bit of fire.
Hey, hang on. Got a bit of fire. Hey, look at that, look. Hang on. He got to put a door on the toilet at some point. But we're sat here eating our kebab. Hang on. Notice that I'm not as greedy as what fucking Nips and... Look at that.
Pizza.
It's going to be in a minute, isn't it? Right.
Inside.
Hang on. Inside. Notice the... hang on.
Show the black beams.
Pork scratchings. There you go. And the cashew nuts. There we go. Oh, look at all them oak beams up there, look. Dartboard.
When you say oak.
Let's go around the corner there. There's all the models. Oh, loads of little flies and that in there. Hang on. There's the booze. And
oh, the glasses.
there's the Jack Day. Oh, hang on, glasses. And then I'm going to eat me kebab before it goes cold. There we go. Look up there. Notice we've got a little bottle of JD up there. Look, you nuts. He's just giving me a stiffy. Right.
Okay, there it is.
There you
the
go.
Knob Fiddler 10.
Okay.